Okay, number 25. If a toy rocket is launched vertically upward from ground level with an initial velocity of 128 feet per second, then its height h after t seconds is given, yada yada. We have this. Okay, so a lot of that is unknown information. It says, when was the rocket 200 feet high? Well, t is seconds, so ht has to be your height. So 200 equals negative 16t squared plus 128t. Well, to follow anything, I have to make it equal 0, so minus 200, and now I'm just going to use my quadratic formula because I'm not going to try to factor this or anything like that with these big old numbers. So I have negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Now the best part is when I use quadratic formula for word problems. I know that I can just type in the calculator and get a decimal because it would be really weird to have a square root and be like, oh, well, square root seconds. That would be weird. So this is my a, my b, my c. So negative b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So remember we simplified the 3 different places. So I get negative 128 plus or minus 2 times negative 16, which is negative 32. And then I'm going to type just what's under my house. So 128 squared minus 4 times negative 16 times negative 200. And I get 358. So I'm going to type it all. Negative 128 plus the square root of 3584 over negative 32. And it doesn't tell me what I round it to, so I'm just going to round to the nearest tenth. I hope if you can see what I did. You can hit second enter and it'll type it again for you, and you can go to the plus sign and put a minus sign. So we have 2.1 seconds and 5.9 seconds because it's t in seconds. 2.1 and 5.9